Bathrooms by Design is now open in Fulham. We're just situated off New Kings Road and only a 5-minute walk from Parsons Green Tube Station. We're bringing the same unique services that have consistently given us 5-star reviews from both our Richmond and Brentford branch over the last 13 years. An unsurpassed range of products with the latest innovations from all of the major bathroom brands. Our market-leading 3D virtual reality design solution that means our expert designers can create multiple designs for you in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. Our phone app and free VR headset that allows you to share your designs and view them in virtual reality in the comfort of your own home. A delivery and after-sales service that gives you peace of mind every step of the way. So why not pop in to see us, or alternatively, book an appointment for a time that suits you. Download our app or go online to find out more information.